So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Boho Distressed edit locks, but I have to keep it 100 with you and be real. I'm not close to being ready to take these. I'm not even close. I'm loving this. This is my vibe. This is me for a minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one out, and that is basically what you're going to replicate to take them all out. So I'm going to take out this little one. I'm going to say goodbye to this one in the front here. I'm going to take out the bangs, and I'm going to remove the lock itself. So first of all, to remove the bangs, should you have bangs, you just want to get to the top of the bang, find the loop, which is here, and then release. Pull it through, feed it, and release it like so. So here's your bang removed. The next thing we need to do is the lock itself. And what we may want to do is consider salvaging the lock. So we don't want to go in and just cut. What we want to try and do is think of if there's a way for us to unwind the wrapping hair. Not that it can be reused, because it can't, but the lock itself can be reused if you then re-wrap it. So we're going to just get to the end, and first of all, we're just going to loosen it. Because if you remember, we've done a knot in the end. So we're just going to play around until we get it loose. And then we can start to loosen, unwind, pull the lock through. So what we can do is when we've made significant progress, we can then cut that off, so we don't have to keep winding this around, and kind of start again, and we'll wind up. So this is the way we take it out that preserves the lock underneath. So you can see the hair's coming off, and here is my lock. And so we're near the top, and we're just going to remove wrapping hair. This can't be now reused. However, the lock can be, and it can be re-wrapped. So to get the lock itself out of your hair, you're going to go to the top of the lock and feel where the loop is on the hair. I'm going to try and pull the lock through again, like this. So, like this. Remove. My hair is here, my lock is here. And that is how you remove your Boho Distressed edit lock.